To get the fundamental understanding of the blackjack game, please visit our official website, www.quant-blackjack.com. You will also get knowledge to construct, evaluate, and master your strategy suite optimized by General Kelly criterion. It allows you to beat the dealer and dominate the table. Our Blackjack Simulator app is an essential software tool for a wise blackjack player to determine the strategy suite, including card strategy, counting system, and its associated bet strategy. This simulator app allows users to precisely define the casino rules and the strategy suite. It has built-in statistical features to analyze and quantify the quality of the user-defined strategy suite. This allows the user to understand the strength and weakness of strategy suites in the presence of the randomness and dynamics of blackjack games. The simulator uses multi-threading technologies to enable the massive simulations within short time. Thus, the users can effectively and efficiently determine an optimal strategy suite suitable for themselves. Let's start the demo. Once you download and unzip the bjsim-mac.zip, you will find the disclaimer file, instruction file, blackjack_sim app, and a setups directory. Let's first look into the instruction file. It gives detailed explanation of terminology used in the simulator, setup and strategy files in the setups directory, explanation of the game _configuration_file.py, explanation of basic card strategy, card counting systems, and bet strategy, and the explanation of all the statistic results and figures from the simulations. This demo is to show the content of the instruction file by live operations, so users can refer to it per their needs. Find in-game _configuration_file.py. Shuffle method specifies how to shuffle the cards in the shoe. 3 options. Fixed option gives you one fixed shuffle for all games in one play. Fixed _rand_seq gives a fixed series of shuffles in one play. Rand_seq gives random shuffles in any play. 777. Setting true means 777 is considered as blackjack. Shoe_size specifies how many decks of cards in the shoe. Shoe_penetration specifies the percent of remaining deck that triggers a reshuffle deck _size. How many cards / deck basic_strategy. The file pointer loads the basic strategy based on players and dealers cards. Counting _strategy. The file pointer loads a certain counting strategy. Here we select basic omega-2 bet spread _strategy. The file pointer loads a certain betting strategy. Here we select basic omega-2, and we use flat strategy for demonstration purpose. Process number. It specifies how many threads the simulator will create for concurrent Monte Carlo simulations. The more cores your computer or workstation or server has, the more number you can put it here. Dump _game _history _details. It can be true or false. It dumps the game history table, which contains all details of every act of every hands, including cards. This file may cause longer process time and large disk space. Run name. The user can name it, and the drill results will be stored in the ./data/sim/. Go to the strategy directory. Open the basic strategy.csv. This 2-dimension table has 13 columns corresponding to dealer's card on the table, which can be 2 to ace. The rows corresponds to player's cards. It has 3 sections: hard strategy, soft strategy, and pair straight. It covers all 468 possibilities. For each possibility, it defines the optimal act for players per statistic simulations. This card strategy comes with the BJ Sim app, and it is optimally designed for games with equal or more than 4 decks, or 208 cards. Users can revise it for their unique purposes. In the counting directory, there are 5 popular card counting systems coming with the app. In each of them, there is a countingstrategy.csv file, which defines the value of each card for the true count calculation. Later on, we use TC as a short name for true count. Take basic underscore omega underscore 2 system as an example. Ace and 8 doesn't change the TC. 2, 3, 7 add 1 to the TC. 4, 5, 6 add 2 to the TC. 9 subtracts 1 from the TC. And 10, Jack, Queen, and King subtract 2 from the TC. Strategy.csv defines how much a player should bet for a TC. In this example, we use flat bet strategy. Basically, we always bet 1 stands for 1% of the bankroll. As a complementary to our simulator users, we provide the optimal betting strategies for the basic underscore omega underscore 2 counting system, which is based on our generalized Kelly criterion algorithm and tailored for the Blackjack game. It provides 1.7% edge to players, which is very close to the theoretical limit of this card counting system. In the next episode, we will continue running the app and going through the statistic results.